Hey everybody, it's Donnie. Happy New Year. I've been really excited about this machine right here behind us. We've had it since about September, just have not sat down with it because of how busy we were over the holidays. But I thought I'd take a little bit of time and show you all one of our new products that we're going to be launching this year. I've been practicing, and I think I've almost got it. So, this little relic was made in 1975. It's called a Merrow machine. Ironically, it's made by the Merrow company. All that it does, it adds that thick embroidered border to patches, which I'm excited about. This is just some scrap pieces of our leatherette that I'm using because we don't really use leatherette, but I've got some sheets just to train myself on. That's my little pile right there, but it's a really interesting kind of setup that we've got here. So you've got this thread, which is actually the needle thread that goes all through here, and it comes out through the tip of the thread right there. You can see it right there. And then you have this kind of, it's a little more of a spongy brown thread that comes down, goes through here, through this little tube, comes out, and basically what it does, it all sews together for that border. It's crazy that this was made in 1975, and just the technology and how to figure something out in 1975 that's still being used today is kind of mind-blowing. But it's a very little complex machine. It's motor driven. It's got the belt on it. There's the motor. It's foot operated down there. It's got a little oil level in there. It basically takes machine oil because it's a machine. But anyway, thought I would show you a little video of how everything works. All right, so this is the plate right there, and our result, we want to get this. So this is our raw edge standard patch. So definitely not a professional. I'm definitely still learning. Today has been my best result day so far. So I'll show you guys how this works. So this is the result that I want. I actually lucked out on my video and I didn't F it up. But anyway, that is a marrowed patch border right there. And like I said, that's just some scrap leatherette that we're practicing on. So in the future, hopefully February is going to be our launch, where we're going to start launching our full color twill fabric patches, and you'll be able to add different thread colors to the border. White and brown and black is probably going to be the standard color that we're going to offer, but as we continue to grow with our marrowed stuff, we'll start adding some more colors. It looks super easy, but it's not. I wasted a ton of patches earlier this week and last week testing this. So circles are pretty easy at this point. the patches that are going to have an edge like this, it's another story. So now that's what I'm trying to dial in. So I've seen some people that just fly around the corner on those, and I'm definitely not there yet. I think it'll be a little bit easier on something that's a little stiffer, like our twill. Because this just kind of wants to push up at the edge a little bit. That wasn't too bad. So biggest part that I'm trying to perfect right now is the end where you kind of taper it off. I don't like a huge chunky kind of overlap, but this is maybe my third or fourth rectangle attempt with marrowing around the edge, so that was not horrible. Let's try another one here. Oop. Yep, that one went way off. I'll show you where that one messed up. But again, this is me training myself on this before actually offering these to our customers, but everything else turned out really well. I just effed up right there. I came out of the corner too fast, just like in NASCAR. It looks like I hit the wall. That's why I'm practicing. All right, let's see. So yesterday I was really determined to get this down, and the my patch edging was very puffy and just didn't look tight. So today I'm kind of getting it dialed in. Got my little tail there. I don't think this will get in the way, but just soon I think it's bound up. So there you go. Those are looking pretty good. Like I said, I'm still practicing on coming off the end right there. But then when you apply these, you can shorten that tail and like that, and then we just sew it onto the hat. All right, let's do one more. We'll do one more rectangle. So one of our friends told us to make sure that you don't start with the needle not in the patch, because when you kick it into gear, once the needle hits, it'll try and grab it up. So that's been a big game changer. This morning is making sure that our needle is already in the inside the patch there. That was probably my best yet right there. So I'm going real slow around these corners just because I'm learning, but eventually I'll be able to probably zip around the corners pretty quick. I've seen some amazing YouTube videos on some other people that Look like they're pretty incredible at doing this. All right, we'll do one more circle. So my fault yesterday is I was trying to feed the patch myself, and I was holding this down. So whenever I was holding it down, it was kind of binding up the thread around the border, which was making it puffy and kind of loose. So I'm trying to let go and let the machine do the work. That one looks pretty good. Not super happy with how thick the bottom is, but we've ordered patches from some big companies before, and big companies that you see sponsored ads for, and I feel like this looks better than the stuff that we've ordered from them. Do one more circle. So I'll lift the needle up, make sure it's in the patch. I think I'm getting it. It's very intimidating machine. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of all the moving parts. And I think the goal is to get more comfortable with anything that you're working on. And anything should be intimidating at first, I would imagine. So anyway, I'm rocking my LA hat today. Incredibly heartbreaking what's going on over there, but I just thought I'd fill you guys in on something new this week. I told you I would be checking back in more than once every 3 or 4 months, so here I am. And it is Tuesday. It is freezing cold once again in Florida. We're expecting snow next week. It's like a 35% chance next Tuesday. Supposed to be like in the 20s, and I'm ready for beach weather, boat weather, and hot weather after January 1st each year. So I'm ready for the warmth. See you guys next time.